I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
You know why I hate outside? I was outside not even 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. And I got chigger bites on my right ankle area. I'm just digging and digging with my toenails from my left foot. It's on my right foot, like kind of like around like this area. Like here's your ankle. It's like around this area. I know you can't tell, but pretend that's my foot. It's like right here. I'm just digging and digging it. It's just so bad, stupid chiggers. I hate chiggers. They just, they itch and make me so mad. Anyway, that's why I hate outside. There's bugs out there. I know bugs have a purpose, and I know God made them, and I should be saying, thank you, Jesus, for the chiggers, and whatever it is, the purpose that you gave them, but I'm not. I'm sorry, Jesus, but I ain't thankful for the chiggers, because I am still just digging and digging. I'm going to be bloody by morning. I'll have to see. I got yellow teeth. They're the same color as my pillow. This pillow, though, not this pillow. I don't know. I'd be closer. Anyway, I'm too silly. But I hate being outside because them stupid chiggers. Okay, goodbye. Look at that cool moon. Doesn't that look so pretty? It's hard to hold still, but when I'm so zoomed in. But yeah, that's the moon. That's the moon showing up this morning, so it looks really pretty. Okay, people are driving by. Bye. Okay, so here's what I know. Ooh, it's chilly out here today. Me and Tawanda, Suzanne and I are driving to a town. It's about an hour and 5 minutes away, hour and 10 minutes away. And so we're going there for a meeting. And I hope you can hear me through the wind. But anyway, the meeting starts at 11:30. So we're going to be doing, so since, I eat earlier than that. And so I have eaten one meat stick, a Chomp's meat stick. And I got 2 more. I'm going to eat those. I'm glad I picked them up. And I'm glad Terri of the past didn't eat them all yet. So I'm going to eat those on the drive or while we're up there or something. And then, because we won't be coming back till around, 12:30, 1. I'll die starvation before then. Good golly, this wind's a-going to town. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully you can hear me. But anyway, so we're going to eat at this restaurant she sent me. It's called the Old Mine Town. Old Mine something. It's a bar and grill. And they have, I was looked at the menu and they have a lamb burger. So I'm like, okay. So she's looking at some stuff and we're going to split a lamb burger. And then, but I think I'm also going to go on and get a sirloin. Excuse me. No, New York strip. But anyway, they have, typical bar food, but it's just kind of fun stuff. She's talking about getting the étouffée or maybe the catfish or whatever. So we'll see what we get. But so we're going to eat at this place called, I think, the Old Mine Town. The Old Mine something. Anyway, I'll try to take a picture of it and show you. So we leave in about, 10, 15 minutes. So I just want to stretch my legs a minute. I've been kind of wandering around in the building, acting like I'm getting stuff. So then that way it make people think I'm doing something when really I'm just stretching my legs. But anyway, so yeah, I will show you what I get. It's funny, Suzanne's so used to me showing you all. She's like, did you show them the food? I'm like, oh shoot, no. So she saves you all a lot of times when I forget. So, all right, look. Hi, Terri. Hi, Terri Toodaloo. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, so I've got a side salad, and then I got grilled veggies. I ordered a lamb burger. She and I are going to split. And then I got me a New York strip with grilled veggies and a salad. Okay, so I got my New York strip. Does not look like a New York strip from Walmart, but that's all right. And I took half of a lamb burger. It's got some spicy feta sauce on it. And then I have 2 veggies. Might send one of them home with Suzanne. We'll see. But anyway, so at least these two and my veggies. Hey there. How you doing? That was a long trip. We drove for, we'll just say about an hour and a half because I got lost. Then we sat for about an hour. Then we drove back to a restaurant for about 10 minutes away. Then we sat for an hour at a meeting in the restaurant. Then we drove back an hour and a half. Well, okay, an hour and 20 minutes. So my booty is tuckered. So y'all saw what I ate for lunch. Had that half a burger, no bun, lamb burger. It was fine. Not anything I feel like I need to go out and buy every day. And then my steak. And yeah, I'm going to tell y'all. I've also had this morning. I had 3 meat sticks, and I had a small bag of mixed nuts and a small bag of cashews. Yes, I did. I am wound up. It's been a day, and I don't want to talk about it. I can't talk about it. But anyway, so I want to just I'm like, ugh. So anyway, so yeah, that's what I know. I love you people, and I'll see you at Leper. Bye. I am feeling the effects of, I don't know if I really am or not. It could just be me. I feel like I'm feeling the effects of not having the patch on. Could be not. There's just a lot that went on, so now I'm like, for no reason. Anyway, yeah. All right, so creamy. I'm starting with the creamy because I'm so excited. This is Butterfinger with chocolate peanut butter and my thickener. So that is thick, thick, thick. Just like I like my men. I like them thick. I like them chunky. Since I had such a big lunch, as well as the mixed nuts, and as well as the 3, as well as the 3 meat sticks, and the mixed nuts and the cashews, what I have is 1 chicken thigh, 1 serving of cottage cheese, sorry girl, and some Rao's pasta sauce. So, no eggs though. So it's kind of like a chicken lasagna. Except I water down my Rao's, so it's like a chicken lasagna soup. Hang on, I'll show you. Look at that. I got shorts on. Don't be freaking out on me. See, it's like a chicken lasagna soup, and it's good stuff, Maynard. Good stuff. On my way down, I used to take half of a serving of Rao's and half of a marinara and half of a serving of Alfredo and water that down a little bit and make a soup. Oh, that made a fancy tomato bisque. So it was good. I have some fruit punch with some of my electrolytes in it. Y'all, it's been a long day. I did a lot of sitting. I'm letting you go. You're getting a reprieve from my long videos. Look at that boy. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. All right, so I love ya, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.